important to us. Please stay on the line and you'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Thank you for calling the Rewards Department. May I have your first and last name?
Yeah, it's Birch Mercham.
Okay, sir. I see here that you qualify receiving $100 shopping rewards, which you can use at any major retail store nationwide. The only thing that you're responsible for is a one-time shipping and handling of only $2.95. Will you be able to cover this fee today?
Well, what's the catch?
The only thing that you have to do is cover $2.95 for shipping and handling.
So I
You're
won?
not purchasing anything, you're not joining any membership, so there will be no additional fee or no monthly charge.
Okay. This because I'm a veteran?
That could be one of the other reasons, sir. Have you been shopping at Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Home Depot, BJ, CVS, Walgreens, or Lowe's?
Well, mostly just Walmart.
Okay.
I go to the bars, everybody calls me Captain. I'm known around town as Captain because I wear a military uniform. When I go out and I don't have to pay for any drinks, people say thank you for your service. They buy me drinks. You know, some people buy me food. I just wear my military uniform wherever I go.
Okay, sir. Now, will you be able to cover the $2.95 today?
Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem.
Hello?
Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem.
All right, sir. Will you be using Visa, Master, prepaid, or debit?
Pardon?
Will you be using a Visa, Master, debit, or credit card?
Or I could use the credit card.
All right. Whenever you're ready, can you please provide me with the 16 digits in the front of the card?
I gotta go find it. Let me get it from my husband. I'm mad at him. We've been fighting. Hold on a minute.
Take your time.
I don't want to wake him up. We had a fight earlier. I slapped the shit out of him.